It is 11:51 p.m. March 2nd, 2022, and I completely forgot about this parcel that I had that I had kind of bought a little while ago, and it said it's there. It's there. You see it, that black thing? It's there.
That was last night. And by last night, I'm talking literally like less than 20 minutes ago. It is now March 3rd, 2022, and I'm going to unbox for you guys this, of course, WWE Vengeance 2005. This feels a lot bigger than I expected, this parcel, so I'm kind of wondering, is there like a surprise with this? You know, Vengeance 2005, I wanted to get this pretty much for the triple threat WWE Championship match, you know, John Cena versus Chris Jericho versus Christian. But, you know, because I already got Kurt Angle versus Shawn Michaels on the Shawn Michaels Heartbreak and Triumph DVD, as well as the Batista versus Triple H Hell in a Cell match on various DVDs. So, yeah, I don't think there is. I think it is just the one DVD. Like, the packaging just feels a bit bigger than usual. But let's open this bad boy. Alright, WWE DVD. Alright, no other surprise with it or nothing like that, just one DVD. This is a garbage bag. This is a rubbish bag, bro. Holy shit. Trash Gate 2022. There we go. WWE Vengeance 2005. Badass cover. Triple H and Batista. And classic warehouse sticker. There's like the matches on the back. Yeah. I got this for real cheap. I got this for like $4. I'm not even coding. That includes shipping. And there's the disc. Yep, that's it. WWE Vengeance 2005 DVD unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. I actually did do a review of this pay-per-view back in 2012, and that was a great review I did. But for some reason, along with so many videos I made from that time, I deleted. I regret that. I should have. You know, even if I wasn't at the time, you know, interested in wrestling anymore, you know, whatever. I've talked about that too many times. Anyway, I'm your boy Mark Sanders. Peace out, y'all.